right, so what are we on? H. So let's start with a fairly simple one. Log base A of 6 plus 3 log base A of x. We want to condense that into one logarithm. So what's it going to turn into? A multiplication problem because it's a plus sign in between. What does this turn into? Exponent of 3. So log base A of 6x to the third, right? Easy as it gets right there, guys. Let's say 1/3 natural log of x minus natural log x squared minus 1. Got the division problem, it's true. What's in the numerator then? Yeah, x to the 1/3 or the cube root of x, they're the same thing. And then on the bottom, it's just the x squared minus 1. Cube root of x or x squared minus 1. Either of those would be legal. I think this textbook tends to lean more toward that. Go ahead and changing that to a cubed root instead of leaving it the 1/3 power. But be mindful that they are the same thing because you may encounter a textbook at some point in life that doesn't do that, or may encounter a problem where they just leave it as an exponent instead of a root there. Not bad at all. Let's do a big one. Log base 5 of x plus log base 5 of 9 plus log base 5 of x squared plus 1 minus log base 5 of x minus 3 minus log base 5 of x. Let's make that a y so it doesn't simplify. A lot of multiplications and then a couple of divisions. Okay, so what it's going to be it's going to turn into a fraction, right? So what's going to be in the numerator? Everything that has a what kind of sign? Plus. And everything that has what kind of sign is going to be in the denominator? Minus. Okay, so it's just really is that simple to think about it. So on the numerator, what am I going to have? Yeah, a 9, x squared plus 1, and that x that's here in the front. So we got log base 5, 9x, x squared plus 1. What's going to be in the denominator? X minus 3 and y. I'm going to write it like this, y parentheses x minus 3, because that's kind of how we're used to seeing that. And nothing else to do. Really, really long when we were able to condense into one little log there, which is what we want. Condense that one. This computer or that program?